So, I mean, in trying to understand all of that, I mean, there's a lot of challenges that developers need to really think about all of those. So what would you say we need to do to get all of those advice, considered?
Now, the key is obviously getting the right team. You've got to get a very good experienced team behind you. A lot of people try to cut costs, cut corners, and do most themselves. Unless you've been in the industry a long time, then that's great. However, I always strongly advise getting the right advice around you. No matter what, no matter how long you've been around, most proven developers still get the right talent planners and architects and designers, best builders around them, and constantly getting tenders to find better ones as well. Get a strong team behind you with the experience. They could, I guess, help minimize potential costs or losses. Maybe give you ideas, suggestions that you may have not thought about. So that could be a big game changer.
Yeah, no, that's so true. That's so true. Yeah. If you can go back to teach to your younger self or teach to your kids, what would you teach them?
Good question. I mean, I've always been in property, and I love property. I've seen it do very well for a lot of people, and we've done very well ourselves. I'll definitely say, similar to what your board game you're talking about, it's crucial. Playing a game is fun. Play that in life, make it reality. So if I could go back to tell my kids or my former self, I would get into property. I'll get into property with more land. I would try to find more potential upside. Look for not just the area that's already developing now, but look for surrounding suburbs around it, 5, 10, 20K radius of it. So in time, they will become future development. So find some project of land, potential upside. That's definitely what I would say.